Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is very simple and very effective hair growth spray when it comes to boosting hair growth and promoting healthy hair. What I love about this hair growth spray is that it's very easy to make and you can literally find all the ingredients that I'm using in today's video in your kitchen. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys an amazing hair growth treatment using only 3 ingredients. If you're new to my channel, hi, welcome. In this channel, I do DIY videos that can help you to grow your hair using natural ingredients. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you're interested, you know what to do. Grab a seat and let's get into it. So our first ingredient for today's hair growth spray is bay leaves. So bay leaves has so many great benefits for our natural hair. So today's video, I'm going to be using dry bay leaves. You can also use the fresh one as well. Both of them are equally effective. So just pick what works best for you. So what I love about bay leaves is that they are very effective and very affordable as well. Easy to find. Most of us have bay leaves in our kitchen. Bay leaves works amazing when it comes to thinning hair breakage and hair loss. So I'm going to go ahead and wash my bay leaves. So make sure you wash it before using it because you don't want any dirt or any bacteria in your hair. So once I'm done washing it, I went ahead and transfer it to the pot. Our next ingredient is rosemary. So if you guys are familiar with my channel, you know I love rosemary. So if you're new to this channel, I personally love rosemary because it's amazing and it has amazing benefits for our natural hair. If you guys noticed, most of my recipe, I always include cloves and rosemary because as I mentioned before, both are amazing. They are super effective when it comes to hair shedding, hair loss, hair breakage, and hair thickness. So if you want thickness in your hair, you want to stop hair breakage, you want to stop thinning hair, you definitely need to incorporate cloves and rosemary into your hair care routine. Rosemary helps to promote hair growth. It's super effective when it comes to hair loss, thinning hair, hair shedding, or any scalp problems that you may be experiencing. So I went ahead and washed my rosemary leaves. Again, don't forget to wash your rosemary leaves before using it. Our final ingredient is cloves. As I mentioned before, cloves and rosemary are my go-to. I always add both ingredients in all my recipe because of its amazing benefits. Cloves is very powerful natural ingredient that can help you to grow your hair much faster. It can prevent thinning hair and it also helps to treat scalp conditions such as dandruffs, dry itchy scalp, and any scalp conditions that may stop your hair from growing further. I'm going to go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of cloves into the pot. So cloves is very powerful, so a little goes a long way. So I went ahead and add 2 cups of water, then I mix all the ingredients together. Once I'm done mixing all the ingredients together, I went ahead and transferred the pot to the cooker. I love the combination of these 3 ingredients because they contain nutrients and benefits that can help you to promote your hair, treat scalp issues, stop hair breakage and hair shedding. I'm going to allow it to boil for about 15 minutes on a low heat. So you can also do the 24 hours infusion as well. So guys, if you guys are still watching this video and yet you haven't subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing to my channel. In this channel, I do DIY videos that can help you to grow your hair using natural ingredients. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and also don't forget to put on your bell notification so that anytime I upload new DIY videos such as this one, you'll be the first to watch. After 15 minutes, this is how the hair growth spray looks like. So at this point, I'm going to allow it to cool down before I transfer it to my applicator bottle for easy use. Once it has cooled down, this is how it looks like. I'm going to go ahead and separate the ingredient from the water. Look at the color. I love the color. This is exactly what I'm looking for. You can tell that the ingredient has infused into the water correctly. So once the water has changed color, you know that your hair growth spray is ready to be used. Now I'm going to go ahead and add lavender and peppermint essential oil. So guys, remember this part is optional. You don't have to add lavender or peppermint essential oil. I personally love adding essential oil to my hair growth spray because it smells amazing. As well as this, lavender and peppermint has an amazing benefit. Both can treat your scalp. If you have any scalp issues such as dandruff, itchy scalp, or any scalp conditions that is stopping your hair from growing, in return you will start to retain length and your hair will become much healthy. And we all know that healthy hair equals to hair growth. This hair growth spray is powerful enough without adding the essential oil. So once I'm done adding my lavender and peppermint essential oil, this is how it looks like. The color is everything. I love the color. Now I'm going to go ahead and transfer it to my applicator bottle for easy use. There are so many ways in which you can use this hair growth spray, so make sure you watch this video to the end because I'm going to tell you the best way to use it, how to store this hair growth spray, and how long you should store it for best results. So this is how it looks like. Now I'm going to show you guys how to apply it to your hair for best results. So in today's video, I'm going to be using this treatment as a leave-in spray. So I started off by saturating the hair with the hair growth spray. This hair growth spray is suitable for adults as well as kids. I went ahead and applied the hair growth spray to the scalp. So remember, this is a leave-in conditioner. Do not wash it out. Once you wash it out, you have stripped all the nutrients and the benefit from your hair. So don't wash it out if you want to retain all the nutrients and the benefit from the ingredients. So go ahead and apply the hair growth spray to the scalp. Healthy hair and new growth start at the scalp. So improving your scalp health should be the first step in any attempt in increasing hair growth. Okay, so make sure to apply this hair growth spray from your scalp to your ends as well. All the ingredients we added are all natural and won't cause any harm to your hair. So if you don't want to use it as a leave-in conditioner, you can also use it as a hair rinse. So basically what you need to do is wash, condition and shampoo your hair, then use the hair growth spray as a hair rinse. So allow it to hair dry itself for about 10 to 15 minutes. So make sure the hair growth spray penetrates into your scalp as well. Then after 10 to 15 minutes, you can go ahead and wash it out with only conditioner. You can use this hair growth spray as often as you like, depending on how flexible you are. If you can't use it on a daily basis due to busy lifestyle, then you can apply it to your hair twice a week. So make sure to store this hair growth treatment in the fridge so you can apply this hair growth treatment to any protective style as long as you can access your scalp. So remember guys, this is a leave-in conditioner. Anytime you apply a leave-in conditioner, which is a water base, you need to make sure to follow up with your favorite hair butter or moisturizer. Otherwise, you're going to experience hair dryness. So guys, please do not skip this step. It's very important to apply leave-in cream after you have applied your leave-in spray. When you combine rosemary, bay leaves and cloves water to your hair care routine. It will help with hair loss, help to grow new healthy hair, treat scalp conditions, and it will help to thicken your hair nicely. So guys, thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, comment in the comment section, and also don't forget to put on your bell notification so each time I upload new videos, you will be the first to watch. Thank you guys so much for your support, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.